from home today where you can see I am massively behind on laundry. I'm behind on dishes. I'm behind on a lot because as you've seen over I'm filming this on Monday, over the weekend, we finally got the results from the auditions. The girls have a part, so now we've got like a lot going on with that, and then just life is so super busy right now. So my main focus of today is to just kind of take you through a day of like, I'm going to be cleaning. This is going to be a whole separate video because it's going to be a lot to do, but also I kind of want to take you through how we're easing back into school now that the girls have glasses on and they don't like to be on film right now, but like they're going to be easing back through schoolwork right now and doing their homeschooling, while I'm also trying to get caught up on laundry, caught up on getting videos a week ahead so that I can stay caught up and have videos up for you guys so I'm not missing days like I did Friday. So sorry about that last Friday. And just try to keep everything caught up. And you can kind of see a little hint right there. We've actually already started buying some Christmas presents and wrapping them ahead of time because it's going to be a super busy holiday season with the girls all four being in, and then also myself on like crew for this Christmas drama that's coming up, and it's going to be a huge production. So yeah, it's super busy, but I'm going to work on getting this. This will be a separate video that you'll see the following Monday from when this is going to get uploaded. And then I'll show you like how we did here. And then I'm also going to take you through the rest of my day of what we're doing today.